Car PPF types and benefits. Car enthusiasts and owners alike understand the importance of preserving the pristine appearance of their vehicles. In the pursuit of maintaining that showroom shine, one solution has gained significant popularity: paint protection films, PPF. These transparent, adhesive films act as a shield against road debris, stone chips, bug splatter, bird droppings, and harsh weather conditions. We'll delve into the various types of car PPF available in the market, helping you make an informed decision to keep your vehicle looking brand new. Clear Bra PPF. Clear Bra is one of the most common types of PPF. It is a clear, urethane film that provides excellent protection against rock chips, scratches, and other forms of road damage. Features: transparent and virtually invisible. Self-healing properties to eliminate minor scratches over time. UV resistant to prevent yellowing or discoloration. Matte Finish PPF. Matte Finish PPF is designed for those who prefer a non-reflective, satin appearance. It protects the paint while providing a distinctive matte look to the vehicle. Features: satin texture for a unique appearance. Effective protection against scratches and stone chips. Ideal for maintaining a low-key, sophisticated look. Gloss Finish PPF. Gloss Finish PPF offers the same level of protection as Clear Bra, but with a glossy appearance that enhances the depth and shine of the original paint. Features: high gloss finish for a polished appearance. Protects against environmental elements. Enhances the aesthetics of the vehicle. Custom Design PPF. For those looking to add a personal touch to their vehicles, Custom Design PPF allows for unique patterns, colors, or even branding on the protective film. Features: customizable options for a personalized look. Protects against scratches and rock chips. Ideal for those seeking a one-of-a-kind aesthetic. Self-healing PPF. Self-healing PPF is designed to automatically repair minor scratches and swirl marks, ensuring that the film maintains its clarity over time. Features: advanced technology for automatic scratch repair. Long-lasting clarity and protection. Reduces the need for frequent maintenance. Investing in the right type of car paint protection film is a decision that pays off in the long run by preserving the aesthetic appeal and resale value of your vehicle. Whether you opt for the standard Clear Bra, go for a matte or gloss finish, choose a custom design, or select a self-healing option, the key is to find the PPF that suits your preferences and driving conditions. Take the time to explore the options available, and enjoy the benefits of a well-protected and visually stunning vehicle for years to come.